Penguins are fascinating creatures. Here are some interesting facts about them. Penguins are flightless birds, but their wings are perfectly adapted for swimming. The fastest swimming penguin is the Gentoo penguin, reaching speeds of 22 miles per hour. Emperor penguins can dive to depths of over 1,640 feet and hold their breath for more than 20 minutes. Penguins have special glands that remove salt from seawater, allowing them to drink it. The distinctive tuxedo-like pattern of penguins is called counter-shading, which helps them blend into their surroundings. Some penguins have yellow or orange feathers on their heads, like the macaroni penguin. A penguin's body is covered in densely packed feathers, up to 100 feathers per square inch. Penguins molt once a year, shedding and regrowing their feathers over several weeks.